if you give me more chance, I'll just start discussing all about vector mathematics that are like behind the augmented reality stuff. So this was the perfect depth.
I don't know. I think that might be a good follow-on video. Hello, so today I'm joined by a LabVIEW evangelist, star of the GDevCon stage and top contributor to VIPM.io. It's the one and only John Medland. John, great to have you here.
Thanks very much for having me, Tom. It's a pleasure to be here.
So you've been publishing a lot of packages recently on VIPM.io, and one in particular caught my eye. It's the Augmented Reality Toolkit for G. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, so I had a project while I was working with the University of Manchester about 5 years ago, where I was using augmented reality in LabVIEW to track various objects in a space and how they were moving around. And it was a really interesting part of the project. And I thought it would be great if I could take what I'd learned from that and make it something that the whole LabVIEW community could use.
If someone in this LabVIEW community installed a package now through VIPM, what's that one feature you want them to try first?
Yeah, there's lots of features in the library, but the one that I think is most fun place to start would be one of the augmented reality examples. So it's kind of simple and straightforward, but I think even though I've been using it for a couple of years, it still feels kind of magic when you just see it all work. So yeah, start with the augmented reality example.
Nice. I gave that one a go myself, and I found it was super straightforward. You even have a QR code in your documentation to get some sort of a datum point on your mobile phone, and your toolkit can show you the orientation of your phone. Now, I imagine you could also have those datum points on bits of machinery and see how the machinery is moving through production. So I guess that's one use case, but what types of projects would this be perfect for?
Yeah, so you don't have to use it for augmented reality. If you want to track any objects and you're happy to slap some QR code type markers on them, then they're great. But the toolkit also includes lots of other features that were sort of like there. And I thought, well, I might as well bring them in. So if you want to read barcodes or other QR codes, if you want to find shapes and features in images, if you want to just use just a webcam in LabVIEW without that's all open source, then like this toolkit is great. So yeah, there's lots of features. Download it and give it a go, I'd say.
So I also tried this toolkit just with my embedded laptop webcam or integrated laptop webcam, and it works straight out the bag. No need to download IMAQ DX. I always get confused with the NI Vision drivers. Do I need the Vision Development Module or the IMAQ DX or just IMAQ? But yeah, your toolkit, download it. It works. Open source.
I was very keen that it could be something that the community could use easily. So that was my focus on building it.
The community appreciates you. So because it's open source, how can people contribute to it?
Yes, so the code is hosted on my GitLab, and yeah, I'm very open to contributions. Maybe you find a bug, please open an issue, or you want to add something, I'm open to that as well. I might ask you to contribute, like to open a PR. And yeah, I'm also writing documentation at the moment, so if there's anything people really struggle with, if they could let me know, that would be really helpful. Contributions are very welcome.
Amazing. Thanks, John. Thanks so much for your contributions to the LabVIEW community. And where can people learn more about you and connect with you?
So if people would like to connect with me, please find me on LinkedIn. Just you can send me a message, let me know that you spotted me via this channel. Or I'm also always lurking around the LabVIEW Discords, the various LabVIEW Discords. So you'll see me on there. Feel free to discuss stuff.
Amazing. Cheers, John. I hope to see you again very soon.
This was great, Tom. Thanks ever so much. See you soon.
Cheers. Bye.